Imagine this. You're playing a racing game, and suddenly your in-game car isn't just pixels on a screen. It's guiding a real bicycle through a city street. Or a virtual pedestrian you trained in a game starts crossing a busy road in the real world. This isn't science fiction. It's RealPlay, a revolutionary AI system that's turning the rules of video creation on their head. Let's unpack how it works. Most AI models need tons of labeled data to learn. Think of it like teaching a kid to ride a bike by showing them thousands of videos of people cycling, each labeled bicycle or pedestrian. But RealPlay takes a smarter approach. It learns from game data, like the popular racing game Forza Horizon 5, and a sprinkle of real-world videos. How? By focusing on actions, not labels. Instead of saying, this is a car, it learns, if I tell this model to turn left, what does that look like? Here's the magic. RealPlay doesn't just mimic game environments. It transfers control across entirely different entities. Training on a racing game, it can now steer a bicycle or guide a pedestrian. It's like learning to drive a car in a simulator, then suddenly being able to ride a bike without explicit training. How? By understanding the rules of motion, not just the visuals. So how does it generate videos that feel real? RealPlay uses a two-step process. First, it takes a pre-trained AI model, think of it as a video-making robot, and teaches it to create short, snappy clips instead of long videos. This makes interactions faster and smoother. Second, it solves a tricky problem, keeping videos consistent. If you turn left in one clip, the next should show the same direction, not a random spin. They fixed this with a technique called diffusion forcing, like a GPS for the AI, keeping it on track even when it's guessing what comes next. The results? Mind-blowing. RealPlay's videos don't just look realistic, they respond to commands. Want to turn left? The AI generates a clip showing a bicycle swerving, a car changing lanes, or a pedestrian crossing the street. And because it's trained on both games and real-world footage, it's not just copying scenes, it's learning the physics of motion. This isn't just about better videos. It's about AI that can bridge virtual and real worlds. Imagine training robots in games, then sending them into the real world. Or creating interactive educational tools that react to your commands. RealPlay is proving that AI can do more than mimic reality, it can extend it. Now let's shift gears. Ever wondered how AI can turn a simple text prompt into a full video? Let's dive into a breakthrough that's making this possible, without needing endless hours of human labor. Imagine training an AI to steer a car in a video game, or make a bicycle ride look smooth and natural in a real-world clip. That's exactly what researchers just achieved. Their default method didn't just match human-level quality, it nailed 90% of movement controls, outperforming other techniques. Think of it like a super-efficient videographer. Whether it's guiding a car through a racetrack or adjusting the camera to follow a pedestrian, the AI creates seamless, realistic scenes. Even when there's no obvious subject, it figures out how to move the camera itself, like a pro filmmaker framing the shot. But here's the catch. Models like Cog Video X5B, the ones making all this happen, are massive. They're so complex, they're slow, like a glacier compared to a race car. Right now, they can't run in real time. However, scientists are already working on fixes. Techniques like model distillation, simplifying the AI's brain, or few-step denoising, cutting down processing time, could make these systems fast enough for everyday use. This isn't just about videos, it's about building AI that understands the world. Picture a robot learning to navigate a busy street by watching real-life footage, or game characters that adapt and learn from their environment. The goal? AI that doesn't just mimic reality, but interacts with it. But wait, would you trust an AI to control a car or a drone? The tech is getting closer, but we're still figuring out the kinks. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into how AI is reshaping our world, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring.